What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Guys, it's been a while since my last post. I think it's been a year since my last video. A lot has happened. I have a lot to share with you guys. Good news, I am now a new mom. So I decided to take some time off, focus on my pregnancy, enjoying my new baby. So now it's time for me to get back to business, guys. I am rebranding the business and we are relaunching, and our official launch will be June 1st. So what I want to do is I want to be transparent. So for the next couple of weeks, I'm gonna be posting videos of me preparing for my launch in June. I'm going to show you guys a lot of behind the scene of me unpacking inventory, me making seasoning, me putting the seasoning in the jars and filling them and storing them. I will be showing you guys almost everything, a little bit of everything, as much as I can share. And also what I want to do with this new series is every time I have a video about my lunch prep, I want to end it with a quick recipe. That is the main focus of my channel. It's to post quick and easy recipe. Now that I am a new mom, I am always on the go. I am busy. I work full time. I recently got my doctorate and I'm working and I'm a new mom, and now I have to focus on relaunching this new business. It's a lot. It's going to be very busy. So if you guys have not subscribed and this is your first time stopping by my channel, subscribe. Remember to click that button in the bottom and subscribe so you guys can remain updated whenever I drop a new video and whenever I drop a new recipe. For most of my recipe, guys, I'm going to be doing voiceover. I know I'm usually behind the camera narrating what I'm cooking. I know I like being behind the camera, but with a baby, the best I can do is record the video and later on, you know, do a voiceover when I'm editing and whatnot. It's not like I don't want to be behind the camera. I'm getting comfortable being in the new weight that I am, but you know, it's gonna be busy, and I hope you guys are patient with me and enjoy the content that I'm releasing. Also, guys, I am very open. You guys have any question, any suggestion, any comment, make sure you have them below. So in today's video, we're not going to take long because we have a lot to do. If you guys are hearing a voice in the background, guys, I apologize. It's my baby. He's very vocal. God, I have a 7-month-old. But there's a lot for us to do today. I have a couple of orders that I have to package. I have a lot of behind the scenes product pictures that I have to do, and I'm going to show you guys, you know, a little video of everything. And to end today's video, I'm also going to post a quick and easy recipe. So now we're going to start packaging some orders, so let's get started. And guys, for this series, this is going to be the last packaging video that I'm adding in there because I shut down the website. It's down for maintenance because we are revamping the website, so nobody's ordering anything right now until we launch in June. And these were the last orders before I shut down the website, because soon as I sent an email and people were like, oh my god, I cannot wait in June, I have things going on, so I allow them to go there, you know, and place their order. And yes, I'm going to drop a video that tell you guys where I get everything that I do for the seasoning, starting with my suppliers, where I get my jars, the lid, the shrinking papers that go on top of it, and how I make my labels, because I make my labels myself. I get the black label from Online Labels and draw my logo in there and then put it on my jar. And also I'm going to show you guys how I do the nutrition label in the jars as well. Those videos will be coming up next, so remember you subscribe so you can be notified when I drop a new video. are wondering what are these, guys, these are the backdrops that I use for my product photography. I made those myself. I went to a website that was selling these, and then they were selling each of them for $80, for $70. I was like, I'm not going to pay that much. So I went to the Dollar Tree, got those postboard, and I ordered some contact papers from Amazon and make them myself. And look how my pictures look, and these are not even edited, the one that I just showed you guys. So I'm going to be making a video that shows you guys how I take my photos for my product pictures, and I will have everything fully details in there. And if you never shop at the Dollar Tree, guys, most of these postboard, they were $1 each. All right, let's get into the recipe. And this recipe, guys, is what I call comfort food. I'm not going fully into details on how I fried the plantain because I have another video in there with a plantain recipe that you can go ahead and watch that. I'm going to link it up there. But for this recipe, very easy. I used the spicy meat seasoning, and this is beef meat. I just added 2 tablespoons of the seasoning, marinated in there, and let it sit for a little bit so the marinade can get in there. And then I cut the plantain, and then I fry them. When they get crispy, you know, I flat them, soak them in a little bit of water with salt, and fry them again so that they can get very crispy. And I was also craving some hot dogs, so I decided to fry some hot dogs. And then this is me frying the plantains, and then after that I put the beef in an air fryer at 300, no, I think it was at 275 for 15 minutes. And if you want your beef to be more crispy, you can add an additional 5 minutes in there. Not too much because we don't like our beef to be overcooked. And this is it, guys. This is the recipe, and I added a little bit of pickles in there from my organic pickles line for a little bit of spiciness with a slice of avocado. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for sticking with me until the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe, and I hope you guys learned a lot from the tip that I have shared with you. And I also hope that you guys really enjoy the little behind the scene and seeing everything that I'm doing to prepare for that lunch. I'm going to try to drop a new video, to post a new video on my channel every week. If I'm lucky, maybe I'll do 2 videos, one behind the scene of my pre-launch and one quick recipe. To remain updated, guys, please make sure you subscribe, because you're going to help my channel and you're going to help me grow, because that's why we're on YouTube. All right guys, thank you guys for stopping by, and I see you next time. Bye.